Welcome to American Papa. Today I'm making guacamole. These are what the avocados look like in the Philippines. Kind of weird looking, but they do the trick. Got some tomatoes, got some onions and garlic, and some other seasonings over there. So let's put this together. As you can see, the guacamole or the avocado looks pretty much the same as ours, just a little longer. And I'm saying ours, the ones in America or in the West, Mexico, Hawaii. This is what the chopped up guac looks like. And I'm going to add tomatoes. Pretty much all recipes that call for this. Garlic is optional, but I like garlic. Most recipes call for just the red onions, but onions are great, so I'm using more. And my lime juice, oh my gosh, I don't know where it's at. All right, I had my lime juice, so here I use calamansi instead of lime, which is like miniature limes. I'm sorry I don't have any more to show. Wait, I think I do have one to show you. So in the Philippines, we use calamansi, which is like a miniature lime. This is what it looks like for all the viewers in America. That's a calamansi. It's a little sweeter than a lime. So that's the juice I put in here. Now I'm going to chop this stuff up. I don't have cilantro because you can't find that stuff here. And I'm going to put in some black pepper. That's probably good. And I put one little chili in there. Next thing is cumin. The recipes don't call, that you see online, don't call for cumin, but I think it tastes good in here, so I'm going with the cumin. And the garlic powder was the white stuff you see that. Most of it calls for onion powder, but I'm out of onion powder, and I didn't notice. This is what we're doing. Next thing I'm getting is some salt. About that much. Start putting that stuff together. A little secret that I do is a couple, maybe 3 tablespoons of mild salsa. This is the salsa I use. I haven't seen that in recipes, but I like it. Gives it a good flavor. And that's about it. So that's my guacamole. And later on, I'll be making nachos for the family. And I'm going to put this on it. And I'll show you what it looks like and get their impressions. Thanks again for watching and all your subscriptions. a quick close up. But now my Filipino wife has never had this. She just had a taste and she can't believe it. So for all my Filipino viewers, you got to make this.